And let me get to that. We do our own reporting on our company finance tool. How will Google benefit my team if we consider moving our reporting and dashboarding needs to Google? So this is actually a really cool discussion. And this is where Heidi and I have the most fun is with the tool sets we use. So there are multiple tools within Google Cloud that we like to use. We're also a bit more agnostic than just using the Google Cloud tools. But things like choosing the right platform for use. So yes, you may be reporting on your own internal tools. And there might be other tools out there that offer similar or better servicing. For instance, we spoke a little bit about Looker today in today's presentation. And Looker is a incredible enterprise-grade reporting tool with ML baked in and templates and modeling and developer tools at your fingertips. There are also other tools that can enhance your basic financial reporting needs, things like Data Studio. And we love Data Studio's toolset. It came late into the industry. It offers great experience for even entry-level users. And it's got a service offering very unique to cloud-based users. Heidi, would you like to touch on that a bit?
Sorry, I got distracted. Say that again.
So,
basically, I'm kidding. So Looker, Data Studio, Sheets, every tool that is out there, which database that you use, how you pipe it up, it's specifically what you as your company need. And that's where we as Opennetworks can partner with you in finding which tool to use. Because it might be very, very good, the tool, but you don't need so much complexity. You need something quite simple. You need something that's really, really fast, and you need, or it doesn't matter. You can batch up at the end of the day your data, or you need streaming the whole time. So again, all those questions will help us help you choose the right tool. And we'd like to train you up on those tools so you feel empowered and in control. And that's my say on it.